Hello, I'm Brandon from PracticeDilly. In this video, I'll show you how to send paperless forms to new patients when they don't have an appointment scheduled yet. First, click on Paperless Forms from the left navigation panel. Next, click the Send Form button in the top right corner of the screen. The Send Forms panel will open. Begin by entering the patient's first and last name in the fields provided. Next, enter the patient's complete email address in the field provided. Then, select the form you'd like to send to the patient. You can choose a single form or select multiple forms depending on the information you need. Once you've selected the required forms, click the Send button. A confirmation window will appear so you can review the patient's information. If needed, you can go back and make changes. Once everything is correct, click Confirm and Send. A success message will appear once the forms are sent. You'll then be redirected to the Paperless Forms page, where the newly added patient will appear in the list. On the patient's end, they will receive a link by text message or email. Patients simply click the form link, complete the required information, electronically sign the form, and submit it. Once the patient submits the form, the eye icon on the Paperless Forms page will turn green, indicating that the forms are ready for review. You can also download a PDF copy by clicking the download icon. The PDF will be saved to your computer automatically, with the patient's name and the form. Thanks for watching. I hope we have been able to provide you with some insight into sending forms to new patients when they don't have an appointment scheduled yet. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.